Hello dear kids, under the topic basic geometrical ideas, here we are going to discuss about parts of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, that is a closed figure having four sides. As you can see, I have drawn a quadrilateral here. Various types of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, trapezium, etc. As these all are made up of four sides only, so they are the types of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has two parts, that are sides and angles. A quadrilateral has four sides as well as four angles. So that let us write the names, how to write the names of side and names of angles in a quadrilateral. Here the sides of the quadrilateral, that means the four line segments of which the figure has been made. Here we have four line segments, that is line segment AB, BC, CD and DA. These four line segments are the sides of this quadrilateral. So the sides are AB, BC, CD and DA. And the four angles of the quadrilateral, that are the four corners, that is A, B, C and D. They are the four angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Now, the sides of the quadrilateral have some relation in them. Also the angles. That is, either some sides are opposite to each other or some are adjacent to each other. How to find out the pairs of opposite sides and opposite angles, that we will see first. As the word opposite tells us that completely different, means nothing common in them. So we will see the lines in which nothing common in them, they will be the opposite sides. As you can see here in the picture, just in front of each other, the sides which are coming just in front of each other are called as opposite side. As if we talk about the side AB here, so in front of side AB, here we have side DC. So AB and DC are the opposite side. Now if we take the side AB, in front of side AD we have side BC. So AD and BC is the second pair of opposite side. So in all we have two pairs of opposite side, and same in case of angles also. So we have two pairs here of opposite sides, that is AB and DC. This is the manner to write the pairs of sides. And its second pair is AD and BC. Opposite, you can observe also here that A, B, B, C. No letter is common in both the sides name. Similarly here, A, B, B, C. No letter in common. It has A, it's not having. It has D, it's not having. So it is indicating this is opposite side. Now we'll go towards the opposite angles. So for opposite angles also we have two pairs in a quadrilateral. Opposite means that also in front of each other and nothing in common, means they should not come on the same line. Then if we make a cross in between this, and then if we put arrows at the corners, so these arrows are showing us a pair of opposite angles, that is angle A and angle C are opposite. Another pair, angle B and angle D are opposite. The simple trick to write it, write the names of alternate corners. That means by leaving one. If you are finding opposite of A, leave B, C. Opposite of D, leave A, B. So these are the opposite angles. So opposite angles pair, angle A and angle C. And the second pair of opposite angles are angle B and angle D. So we got two pairs of opposite side and two pairs of opposite angles. Now the next topic is the adjacent relationship between sides and the angles. Adjacent sides are the sides of a quadrilateral which should have a common point. Like if we talk about the side AB and just next to it we have side BC. That means continuous sides without leaving anything are adjacent sides. That is, if we see line AB, next to line AB is line BC. They are connected with point B. So they have the connectivity here. So the sides are adjacent sides. So side AB and BC. Here we have the first pair of adjacent side. In a quadrilateral, in case of adjacent, we will get 4 pairs. 4 pairs of adjacent sides and 4 pairs of adjacent angles. So first pair is AB and BC. Second pair of adjacent sides are, now here we have AND at BC. So next we will start from BC. That is BC and next to BC we have CD. BC and CD. Now again I will start my third pair from CD where I finished my second pair. That is CD and next to CD we have DA. So that CD and DA. I finished the third pair at DA. So fourth I will start from DA. That is DA and next to DA I have AB. I added it at AB and here started from AB. That means our all 4 pairs of adjacent sides are completed here. This will be used as in question, figure will be given to you and they will ask you write all the pairs of opposite sides and opposite angles or all the pairs of adjacent sides and adjacent angle. So this process will help you out that how to name all the pairs in them. Now next if we talk about adjacent angles, so that also we have to follow the continuity. That is angle A, next to angle A is angle B. So adjacent angles first pair is angle A and angle B. Angle B and angle C. Angle C and angle D and next is angle D and angle A. In this way we will write the pairs of adjacent angles. So see here. That is the first pair. We are starting from A, angle A and angle B. As angle A and angle B have this common side AB. BC, common side BC. So angle B and angle C. Second pair is angle B and angle C. Third pair is angle C and angle D. And the fourth pair is angle D and angle A. So as you can see that we have maintained the continuity here in the side also and angle also. So the continuous one are the adjacent sides and adjacent angle. So here we have seen the simplest manner to find out the opposite sides and angles as well as the adjacent sides and angles in a quadrilateral. If you like the video, please press the like button, leave your precious comments in the comment box and subscribe our channel Padhai Ke Fun Day. Also press the bell icon to get updates. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.